Why are customer testimonials so crucial for your local business? Well, think of them as digital word of mouth. When potential customers are searching for products or services in your area, positive testimonials can be the deciding factor that convinces them to choose your business over others. It's all about building trust and credibility. Now, you might be wondering how to get those valuable testimonials and how to showcase them effectively on your Google business profile. Ask satisfied customers. Don't be shy about asking your happy customers to leave a review. You can do this in person, through follow-up emails, or even with signage in your physical location. Make it easy. Provide clear instructions on how customers can leave a review on your Google business profile. The easier it is, the more likely they'll take the time to do it. Share success stories. If you receive written testimonials or compliments via other channels, ask customers if you can feature them on your Google business profile. Turn those success stories into powerful marketing tools. So, there you have it, the importance of adding customer testimonials to your Google business profile. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with testimonials, drop them in the comments below. If you want to work with us, check our website in the description box and let's talk business.